Alright guys, so what we're going to do is we're going to install the Fitcamx Dashcam. Fits OEM. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the clips all around. We're going to start off on the left side first, turning the mirror completely down, all the way down, face down. We're going to push it all the way face down right here. Once we face it down, pretty much good to go. We're going to start working our way from the left side using the plastic pry tool that was included in the kit, and all this is going to come off and we're going to swap everything over with the new one. Alrighty guys, this is the Fitcamx. This is the whole setup here, and it looks just like the OEM. I just showed y'all what it looked like a second ago, and this is trying to get it to line up here. There we go. This is what it looks like. Has a power and photo, or like a record button, and I'm gonna go through all those features. It looks like it comes along with a memory card already. Here's the camera right here with the sticker on it, and so it's OEM. OEM is gonna go directly on it. After fighting with it for a little bit, I'm breaking a sweat, believe it or not. Shit, this thing kind of gave me a little bit of a hard time. Basically it pulls off. There's a little clip that goes in their center. Make sure you remove the centerpiece first. That goes in the middle right there. Remove that first, because I didn't do that, and so it was stuck. And then it has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4 clips. I gotta grab the other one. The other one got left off inside there. The right side was very hard to remove, but basically I started off on the left and then I made my way to the right. So using this pry tool that it comes with, but you have to be kind of aggressive with it, so be cautious as well, because you might break a clip. I mean, this one kind of broke just a little bit, but I'm not going to use it. We're not going to use this anymore. We're going to transfer over the yellow clips onto the OEM one right there. So we're going to get these yellow clips transferred on and get everything back assembled. Alright, so what we're doing is basically removing the old ones, and all I'm using is the pry tool that's provided, and I'm just lifting up from right here, from this right here, and it should lift right up. So it lifts up, boom, that easy. Lift it up from there, then you're gonna swap it over, put it on the new one. It's like 38 degrees right now in South Texas, which is crazy. That Punxsutawney Phil was right on the extra winter days. So here it is right here. So I still got one more clip to do, so there's gonna be 4 of them. So I gotta get this last one. So be right back, and then we're gonna get ready to put it on. Very sketchy, but right here, see if I can get some light there. Right here where it's disconnected, that's the rain sensor, and then it piggybacks onto the adapter. So I used needle nose pliers. I mean, it was very in there, and like very in there. Just be careful when you remove it. I plugged it back in now. So I did a little, roughed it up a little bit on the side there, but it's okay. So now that I got it connected, we're gonna have power to connect to the camera. So I'm gonna get like some zip ties and tighten it up so that way there's nothing loose in there. So make sure that you also transfer over these little gray grommets onto the new one. So already got it connected. There's some dots that you want to line up on this cord right here. There's a white little single dot that lines up with the cable. Just make sure you line up the dot with the other dot and then plug it in. That way it goes in correctly. Forget to remove the for the camera right here, because that right there was covered up, so you just pop it out. And then it's already dark out. The sun already got away from me, and it's cold out here. It's 42 degrees outside. This is blinking. It's powered on. The app was very difficult to understand. It kept interfering with the Mustang and the Wi-Fi, my network, but I finally got it to go. The app's a little finicky, but I'll have peace of mind that I know that this is always recording, especially when I'm driving. I've already had a lot of close calls with other people out on the road, and it fits OEM, as you can see, OEM looking. So, but the install of the Fitcamx dash cam. Appreciate it, guys. Follow, subscribe, like the video, share. I greatly appreciate it.